easy.
Yeah. Stand by.
Yeah, man, it's nuts, right? I love flying here, and you get that view. It's nuts.
Right? Perfect. Catching skills. All right,
Nice.
good to go.
Well done, sir.
Could we have passed?
Very nice.
All right.
That was amazing.
Yeah, baby.
So you can just grab it by the battery. That's cool.
Yeah. We practiced a little bit the other day.
Yeah, nice stuff.
I wouldn't turn it off. Just start like that. Yeah, we'll just start it and then.
Is it enough? We
got 61%, so we'll do like another 5 minutes.
Nice.
What do you think? Worth it?
100% worth it.
Yeah, man.
All right. So this is how you get Inspire-free footage legally to go underneath Tower Bridge.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Yes.
Good. That's it. How does it look?
Gotta work with what you have.
Yeah, man. No, totally. That's smart.
Yeah. Good thinking, Lucas. Cutting.
Smart way of thinking, guys.
So at any point, if you want to start breaking that sucker out,
All right.
you're welcome to do so.
Nice.
I'm thinking.
Oh,
We've got this thing in the air.
If we take off.
So the idea is, yeah, if you want to do it between HMS and this pier,
Yep.
yeah, you happy
Yep.
for that? Cool. Yeah. Because you get some nice, lovely shots of the city from here too, and the Shard, all of it. Cool. So yeah, we're going to fly around here as well. Yeah. Nice. Hopefully we don't get any seagull trouble. They're out in force right now. That's alright, we've got two of these things
So
just
don't
in
like
case.
them, do they? Too?
No, they hate them.
We've done one a little bit further up at Blackfriars.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
Really weren't liking it.
Oh.
Every time the drone come down, they disappeared. Didn't see one. The drone went up.
Went up, yeah.
In a minute, there was like 20 round it.
Yeah.
And then there was just like...
The flocks of pigeons are one as well.
Yeah.
They come round, but they're kind of worse in a way because they go in like a proper formation. Well, here we go. Yeah. Let's just open it up. Of course. Yeah. Wow, man. That's nice. Cool. We call it the chicken camera.
Yeah, the chicken camera. Okay.
Is it?
Even got the LiDAR on it. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Shard reveal action here.
Nice. Where are you at the minute? Just above here?
Just coming back above us.
He's coming back from the...
Nice. What's that?
There's nobody on the river, which is
I know, it's that perfect time. Because it will be rammed later.
Oh,
so busy.
Tonight at sunset is going to be busy as hell.
Yeah, I need to call up about that.
You want me to raise again, Dave, at one point?
No. Good.
Wow, look at that shot.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, so you can go to that next bridge. That's the limit there.
Yeah, okay.
For the
So London, that's London Bridge.
That's London, yeah. The Tower Bridge behind us.
And I haven't crossed any of those.
Alright, nice. Yeah, the area is bigger.
Oh, you didn't unlock all of them.
Oh, there's a, I don't know where it is.
I unlocked it. I don't know. It's
So that's not.
Oh, there's safe.
Is that the one? I'm not sure if you push it out, but that might take the lens off, I think.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, I don't want that to happen.
Alright, I don't know, maybe it's a calibrator. I don't know. I just turned it off again.
Yeah, I think it turns off by itself.
So I released. You have to release the 4D part. I think that might have been what it was freaking out
Yeah,
about.
because it was this that
And
was,
then-
it wasn't able to go up and down.
Yeah, and then you just kind of like it's so easy to balance. I mean, it's already pretty well balanced.
It's already balanced,
So,
yeah.
but when you want to balance it, you just release and then it'll down here and it'll slide. Oh, it'll slide either you release here. And then
there
it
it
slides on that.
Yeah.
For if you want to use other lenses, and then so it's not like the they haven't put the thing where you like where it auto unlocks and unlocks
Yeah,
yet.
okay, yeah,
Like you have
yeah,
to manually
yeah.
do all of it.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, what a shame. Amazing camera though.
yeah. Well, now that you have the 4D part unlocked,
Yeah.
that's pretty
That's the bit.
impressive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
I think we're ready for next flight, Gabe.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Just try not to get clean gas.
Deal with that. Where are you gonna go? Are you going?
Well,
there
I'm
we go.
thinking-
I got it.
yeah.
Yep. So you're just gonna drop in?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Stopping in 4, 3, 2.
It's a lovely angle.
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah.
Cutting.
All right. I say
Start.
short, and then we land and go to the next one.
Nice.
Put an ID on afterwards.
You know,
Can we
I'll go to the other side of the bank, right?
Yeah. 'Cause we need some space.
Lucas, ready for landing?
Great. Responding to that.
Yeah, if we could cross London Bridge and
I'll head. I'll let you know.
kind of hovering the city.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I've got a map for each location. So that was here. The next one is this one. So we've got
London Bridge.
Southwark Bridge, just past Southwark
Southwark Bridge, next
yeah,
one, yeah.
Southwark. Sorry, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. In that general area, there's a pier here. Just Southwark.
Yeah, it's my bankside pier.
That's the one backside. Yeah. So the next permit zone is just 2 bridges up. So this bridge here is that one.
Yep.
And then we're going to go past the railway bridge.
Yep.
And then another one.
Yep.
And that zone, if you can see,
Yep. Okay.
it covers that whole area. So
You got them?
yeah,
Because okay.
yeah, I've let them
I
know.
only told them like next week. I didn't know. I was like, I just go.
Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly.
The screw was like totally out.
Oh, that.
Yeah. Now it'll actually like balance. Yeah. At least it was pointing your way.
But look, it wants to take off.
The wind.
Luckily, it's not the
For 1 second, you scared the shit out of me.
Smile, John. Yeah.
Luckily, it's not a combustion engine. Otherwise, it would take off.
Yes, it's true.
Wow.
You know what?
Put it down.
The screws are in.
Okay, good.
Wait, did it come off or? Yeah, this screw was sitting in the bottom of the bin. Not sure how that happened because.
Now it's full control.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, because I was trying to do
now
some.
This is happy.
There you go.
And then you hit the one of these. I think one of these triggers does the 4D action.
Perfect. Thank you. Here we go, guys. This is it.
It's all right.
So it's 5:05. This is going to be a really good spot for you guys.
Oh, it's happy.
I think you're confusing.
Are we in 4D mode at the minute?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cool. You just always keep it in 4D mode, basically, right?
For the most part, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, why not, right?
Exactly.
Like, that's kind of its thing.
Yeah.
And so right now I have it so that like it's just going to smooth out your movements, but it'll follow your hands. If you like turn your hands, it'll turn just at a nice smooth.
Oof, I get pretty seasick looking at that. Just looking through here.
Oh, are you a seasick guy?
Yeah, just looking through here, it's definitely made me feel like it.
Did you put ND on there? Okay. I was like, man, that's happening. Okay.
Can I give it a try?
Go, yeah, go wild.
Seagulls guess.
So, yeah,
Then as
the
soon as
zone stops just before that big
Just
bridge.
before that big.
Yeah, the big one.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good then. That's good then.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we can, right?
Yeah, so
Like
this
one.
dotted line is that one closest to
Okay,
us,
perfect.
which is a very famous bridge. It's the Millennium Bridge.
So
This little one right
Oh,
here.
nice.
you can't. You got to go past that bridge that you're going over right
We
now.
can go
You can do
past
that.
the bridge you're looking at, but not past the after one. The
Yeah.
other one.
Okay.
Awesome.
Lovely. Haha.
It's mental.
Yeah, that's insane. Base ISO of that low.
4,000.
That high.
Incredible. Like you'll see the shots of the guy at the beginning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no noise.
The 4,000 is what really sets this drone apart.
Yeah.
Like, okay, hang on.
It's the Sony of drones.
Yeah.
The low light.
Okay. Formatted. Good to go.
Right.
How many minutes do you get on a formatted card?
With Cinema DNG 8K, you get 20. for
Terabyte.
For a terabyte.
So
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice parallax.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful.
I love this old building in front of the.
Oh yeah, that's
so,
a nice one.
Cutting.
I'm gonna take. You open for a second. I'm gonna take a shot of this.
Oh, I can still it. Is that what you want me to do?
I'm the photographer.
Okay. He wants to be all the things.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
I want to be the pilot
Yeah.
and the photographer.
All in
Next
one.
thing he's gonna want to drive the boat.
Single up.
Yeah. Single up.
Yeah.
He's gonna have
Multiple
one
up.
remote in each hand, and then mount the
Throttle off the 600
then
horsepower
mount the
with the
Ronin.
engine.
in
Got
the
it. Love it.
middle.
Top Gun soundtrack.
Okay, perfect. Awesome.
Wild.
Nice.
Okay. Should we do all wide 18 for this shot?
Yeah. Let's do some 18.
When you have a permit, that beach is also a great spot. Yeah, because you can walk down the stairs to get there.
That's perfect.
Normally you can't. They're all blocked off.
Oh,
Like
really?
These ones, yeah, you can't.
Technically, oh wow.
But that one you're okay.
Oh, you took. Yeah, sorry. Yes. Man, after this spot, what would you suggest? Like the London Eye kind of a thing?
So the next spot, we can either skip or do. So after, so we go past these two big bridges that are next.
What are we focusing on first here?
Spool.
But yeah, take off first.
Okay. we're good now. Now I'm gonna.
Yeah, that sounds better. What do you think would have happened with that one? Ah, yeah, nice one.
Nice job. Yes. My
And
wife
this-
would have like.
Like, throw it in the water. All right.
Land gear up.
You're up. Yeah.
Oh,
That's a nice flyby.
Fuck you, bird. Got it? Okay, bye. Alright. Coming in. Bring it in. Perfect.
I think they're nesting nearby.
There must be.
Yeah, that's
are,
normally what they do when they're nesting.
Really being bitchy.
Yeah. Hopefully they don't follow us.
They probably
They
will.
do.
Here.
All right, I'll show you the next location. So this one we don't know if we're actually going to film. We're just going to look
Right.
when we get there. So it's you go past Blackfriars Bridge.
Yeah.
And
So
it's between Blackfriars and
Waterloo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just between there. We'll have a look with our eyes and see if we want to film there, or we go to the next one.
Yeah. Where's the next one after that?
The next one after that, directly opposite London Eye. And then after that, it's Big Ben.
Yeah.
And that's it. So between that bridge there with the cars on it, and this one here, this middle point.
Okay.
If you want, you can lift it up and have a look.
Yeah.
I just put it here as a point. I don't know, like, because you get a nice view here of London Eye instead of being in front of it for the next place.
Well, the thing is, now you just have the ugly sky behind it.
Yeah.
Maybe on the other side.
Okay.
Just over there.
This sky is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go there instead.
Yeah.
I think we should just blast.
Just do that.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think we're going to go opposite London Eye.
Really on.
Yeah, that'd be good. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, I know, so good. So that's London Eye there.
Yeah.
So if we kind of go like, kind of like there, yeah, that'd be good. Perfect. Amazing. Cool. There we go. Yep. This is the spot. Yeah, this is a wild location. Oh my god. I would utilize this area massively.
I mean, 18 millimeter.
This is what we're here for, right?
Yeah.
Big fest.
Landing gear up.
Big Ben shining.
Luckily, you have no sound recorders
Keep rising.
here.
Keep rising.
Yep.
It's a little bit gray and stuff, but I mean, like, I think that's like characteristic. So.
What are you trying to say?
The London Eye. So I'll tell you.
Work away from it as you're going.
Where is it? Where have I put it?
Hey, that's kind of 3, 2, 1. That's my end point.
Copy.
Just amazing.
Buildings are starting to look
How
golden.
long can you keep on this?
I can go for another like 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, we're not gonna overfly MI6 as well.
Unfortunately, not today.
Didn't you
this is
pull
a
the
nice shot, nice
permit
shot.
for that?
Oh yeah, I mean we can only go so far, right?
That's why we came here.
Nice.
Put this on your resume. Drone catcher.
Yeah.
Drone whistle.
You should say Inspire 3 catcher.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, do you catch minis? Like, that's not impressive.
Like, all right. Yesterday night when I looked, it was like super cloudy even at sunrise. And we got a little bit of a break.
Like anything where it's like, because like the other thing is, what if we rig the Ronin? Because the Ronin's gonna.
Oh my god. Brave man. Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for this morning.
Yeah, good stuff.
See you
Yeah.
at 7.
7 o'clock, yeah, I think so. We'll hear what the police have to say with over there. Hopefully we can go past it or after 10. So yeah. Nice. Cheers, bro.
What room did you get?
206. Yeah.
Is it nice?
It's cool, yeah. You?
Dave was very jealous because
What happened?
for some reason I had just asked for a standard room, but apparently they ran out of those.
Uh-huh.
And so they're like, we
What did you get?
upgraded you to the presidential suite.
Presidential suite.
He was like, what?
I got an executive.
I got presidential suite because they ran out of standard rooms. And so like the lady at the desk was like, oh, it looks like you just got the presidential. I'm like, are you kidding me? It's beautiful. It's
You can get that guy?
It's like an apartment.
you kind of, yes.
So I've got. Oh, I've still got your thing on. Just realised, bro.
That's it.
I got so
That
comfortable
much?
with
That's
it.
it that much?
Yeah, man. See you later. We have just done some filming over the river from this morning, calling in. We were told to call up when we're done, which we are now. Yeah, and we'll be flying again later on this evening, so we'll call you when we're ready for that. Thank you so much. Cheers, you too.
I'm
Bye.
gonna see you ride your bike with that case.
Cool. PLA know we're done.
Nice.
Happy for later on. So yeah,
right.
we're all in order.
Which
Yeah.